Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Taurus with the Earth elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. So, bibigyan ko po kayo ng reading, okay? Starting today to the first week of May. So, let's see the energies surrounding you. Unahin po natin ang inyong tinatawag na personal energy. Taurus, okay? Naririto ang tinatawag na, okay? The Two of Cups. Yan, ha? It's about your, marito yung tinatawag current relationship, di ba? Yan, your present relationship, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, hindi, there is a, kung ano man itong current relationship nyo, meron ditong, it's like panlalamig, hindi pagkakaintindihan. It's like coldness, maaring hindi kayo nag-uusap, di ba? It's like magkasama kayo sa isang bahay, pero nakikita doon yung tinatawag distansya, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na the Wheel of Fortune in reversed position, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, nasa loob sila ng marriage, okay? Be it a partnership, sa trabaho man ito, di ba? So, ang pakiramdam mo dito, it's like, yaan, okay? Parang nag-iisa ka, di ba? Yaan. It's like, ano ba naman ito, di ba? Nasa loob nga ako naman, you're not enjoying, okay? It's like you are disappointed, di ba? It's like, ito ba is saan pupunta? Okay? Maaaring sa annulment. Okay? Tinatawag na breaking contract. Okay? So, ibig sabihin for some of you here is mukhang ang inyong, either ikaw, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, kilalang kilala ka. Maybe in your community. Diba? Yan. People knows you very well. Okay? So, nakikita dito, ito yung tinatawag na the Empress. Okay? Yan. So, it's about alam mo ang gusto mo, 'di ba? Ya 2 4 6 8. Alam mo ang gusto mo. It's like you have everything. You have all the quality, 'di ba? Ito yung tinatawag your traits, 'di ba? Your energy, okay? It's like puno-puno ka ng pag-ibig, puno-puno ka. It's like everything is your everything is naroon ka, pero dito nakikita, 'di ba? Yan. Di ka masaya. Okay? So, yung tinatawag current relationship. So, let's see your social. Okay? So, naririto, tinatawag the five of Pentacles, the Devil, okay? And the Queen of Cups. Yan, ha? So, ang nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag, masyado kayong very, very open. Diba? It's like you have no secret. You don't, ibig sabihin nito, bukas ang buhay mo. Diba? Bukas the pages of your life. Diba? Your life, okay, very, very open. Masyadong open. Diba? Sa social. Maybe to other people, friends, neighbors, di ba? Masyadong bukas, parang wala kang itinatago. Okay? Yan. The Six of Swords, the Eight of Wands, to the Six of Pentacles, di ba? So, ibig sabihin niyan, okay? Especially the Six of Pentacles, di ba? Yan. So, the Six of Swords has something to do about your growth, okay? Your participation, maybe friends, people, society, diba? So, nakikita dito, the eight of wands, diba? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na, you have no problems to others, diba? Yan. Sikat ka pa nga eh, diba? Sikat na sikat ka, diba? Yan, no? Diba? Okay? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag the Six of Pentacles. Diba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag puro papasok. Diba? Puro papasok. Gains. You gains wisdom. You gains intelligence. You gains friends, partnership. You gains money. Diba? It's all about gains. Yan sa social. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, puro pakabig. Yan ha? pero maganda, okay? Kasi kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, honesty is the best policy, di ba? It's like you don't hide anything. Yan. Kung kaya dito, puro pasok, di ba? Pasok lahat ng swerte, lahat ng luck, lahat ng success, pasok, okay? In your social, okay? Energy. So let's see. Ang tinatawag na the karmic, okay? The karmic energy for the Taurus, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag the moon, di ba? So, it's about your femininity, di ba? Yan. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the reverse. Is this the reverse? No, this is not the reverse. Ito yung tinatawag na the hangman, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the devil, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, okay? Yan ha, okay? Ito, it's about you, di ba? Yan. It's about sino ka as a person, di ba? So, ito yung tinatawag your soul, di ba? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, iniingatan mo, di ba? Iniingatan mo ang iyong pagkatao, iniingatan mo ang iyong pag-ibig, 'di ba? Iniingatan mo ang iyong damdamin, 'di ba? Yan. So kung dito nakikita, 'di ba? It's not, you are not persecuted, 'di ba? You are not persecuted. Instead, you are full of love, 'di ba? So nakikita dito yung tinatawag na yan ha, the hangman, okay? So, ibig sabihin ng the hangman, yan, no? It's about loving yourself, di ba? That's a karmic energy. The result and the cause and effect, the ripple effect, di ba? Okay? You love yourself. Kumbaga dito, inaalagaan mo ang iyong relationship, di ba? Yan. Inaalagaan mo ang iyong yaman, di ba? It's like dito nakikita, di ba? Maybe you are taking care of your reputation, di ba? Okay? Naalagaan mo ang pangalan mo, ang iyong pagkatao, di ba? Yan. So kung ano man ito, it's wealth, inaalagaan mo rin siguro ang iyong tinatawag na pera sa bangko, di ba? Yan. Maybe ito yung tinatawag sobra, ikaw na ang pinakamaswerte sa taong, ikaw na ang pinakamaswerteng tao sa balat ng lupa because you know what you are doing, di ba? Yan. To maintain a relationship, di ba? Kaya dito nakikita, di ba? To maintain a relationship. So, kumbaga dito, it's like, hindi ka, it shows here the other side of you, diba? It's like you have a feminine touch, diba? The feminine side of you, and the Rambo. It's like tinatawag the gladiator, diba? Yung tinatawag na predator, diba? Yan, it's like Schwarzenegger, diba? Yung tinatawag, ano tawag doon? It's like a Rambo, diba? Yan, oh. So this is your feminine, and this is your tinatawag na the devil's side. So, you show, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yan okay? Paggalit ka, di ba? Especially ito, nakatambali ng paggalit ka, you really showed it, di ba? Yan. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na it's about your feminine and tinatawag na masculine, 'di ba? Okay? Pag naaagrabyado ka, especially here, pag naaagrabyado ka, 'di ba? Pag naaagrabyado ka, you show them, okay? The real you, okay? So whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, yan 'di ba? It's about wealth, popularity, 'di ba? Love, okay? Diba? It's like dito nakikita yung tinatawag abundance, luck, blessings. Okay? Yan. So, thank you very much.